monster minds.
The Bear and the Two Friends. Once upon a time, there were two friends who were walking through the forest. Suddenly, they saw a bear coming towards them. One friend quickly climbed a tree, but the other friend didn't know how to climb a tree. So the clever friend lay down on the ground, pretending to be dead. The bear came closer and sniffed around the still friend. It looked and listened carefully. After a while, the bear decided to go away. The friend in the tree climbed down and asked the other friend what the bear whispered in his ear. The friend on the ground said, "The bear told me to watch out for fake friends." Moral of the story: a true friend is someone who is always there for you and supports you no matter what happens.